Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious dinner of boiled yam and the egg sauce. So relax, let me show you how I made it. Thank you. Here I've got my half tuber of white yam. Yeah, half because I've already started or we have already started eating from the yam. And here are the eggs I'll be using for the egg sauce. And I've got some vegetables to add to it. I have here some tomatoes and the red and the green scotch bonnet peppers. I've got some carrots, some onions and the green bell pepper. I also have some spring onions. So I'll go ahead now and prep everything before we continue the cooking. So see you later. Welcome back, and here we have everything prepped. This is the carrots, the onions, the pepper, the green bell pepper, the spring onions, the white and green part of it, and the tomatoes. I have also cracked the eggs into a bowl, and also the yam. I've peeled and cut and washed the yam. Next, I'll go ahead and transfer the cut and washed yam into a pot of water. I'll add some salt to it, cover and cook or boil. We said we're eating boiled yam, so I'll boil it until it is well cooked or soft. While the yam is cooking, I'll go ahead to make the sauce. In my dry pot or pan, I'll add some vegetable oil and the palm oil. That was not on. Oh my god, which kind of thing is this now? Oh no, hi god. My camera was not on. Hi.
They admire the first frying.
Chai god. So the while I added all this thing, my camera was not on. Chai.
So what are you gonna do now?
I use my talk now. I use my tell them just added onions and tomatoes. I think my camera showed I put it when I added the palm oil. I'm so sorry guys. I guess you know what happened here. I didn't know my camera was off. But anyway, as the oil heated up, I added the white part of the spring onions and the purple onions. I fried for a bit before adding the chopped tomatoes. And that's what I'm stirring here now. Next, I'll add the peppers. Frying the tomatoes and peppers for about 7 minutes. I'll then go ahead and season it with some salt, crayfish, some mixed spices or seasonings. I have there curry, ginger, garlic. You can use any seasoning of your choice. I also added 2 cubes of Knorr cubes or Knorr seasoning. What did I say? 2 cubes of this. I added 2 cubes of Knorr and stirred. I fried for about 5 minutes. Tested it and everything was okay. Next, I'll add the carrots and also stir it and fry for about 2 minutes. After about a minute or two, I'll go ahead now and add the eggs. I will gently scramble or stir the eggs. Meanwhile, our yam is still cooking here. Let's check how far. It's still a bit strong, so I'll still give it like 5 minutes more to become very soft. Our egg sauce is almost ready, so I'll go ahead now and add the remaining vegetables. I'll start with the green pepper. Oh. This is delicious. And our dinner is ready. So the only thing remaining now is to serve it. Meal is not only for dinner. It can also serve as your breakfast or lunch. And you can use the egg sauce to eat your bread, your fried plantains, your fried yam, your boiled rice, or anything that pleases you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please, if you did, give the video a thumbs up and also share to your friends and family. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.